Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Squarespace, how to create and customize a website on Squarespace for a printable educational worksheets business, easy and quick. So as we know, Squarespace is a website building tool that makes it easy for anyone to create their own website without needing to know how to code. It offers templates and tools to help you design and customize your site. So first here you can choose the topic. If the topic isn't here, you can just select all templates. Okay, and the type, it might be services, and online store. Here you can start with one of these templates here, and also you can build their own template. So let's get started. Let's go. Okay, here you can enter your business name. Type any name you want, any name match with your business. Here you have to build your homepage. Build your homepage section by section, add in as many or as few sections as you need. So the first section here must be an attractive section, so you have to try your best to make your site looks better and attractive. You can do whatever you like, and anything to make your site looks better, to pull and attract more people and more customers. Okay, so let's move on. Also the product section, and the same thing with the services section, about section, and social section, the forums, and the footer section. Add page to your site. Okay, choose a color, choose any color you like, any color match with your business. Okay, and choose the font. Okay, now wait a few seconds. So here you can choose if you want to continue and add the description, and add the details about your products, and choose the writing style, or if you want to just skip this. Okay, I'm gonna skip this. Okay, wait a few seconds, and now you can edit your website homepage. Okay, so first click here, edit. Okay, and now you can change the text. First thing here, you have to change the text here. Okay, you can type anything here to make your site and make the text looks better. For example, you can type welcome to our site for printable educational worksheets. Okay, like this. And after this you can go to the background, and you can choose just a simple art from here, or if you wanna add image as a background, so it's much better to select image. Okay, click here, select from library, go to the free image, then search on, or on premium image, then search on printable. Printable educational worksheets. Okay, okay, for example, I'm gonna choose this, just a simple image. You can choose whatever you like. So this is your home page. You can do whatever you like as you like, and that's your business. Okay, and after this you can change the text on this label. For example, you can type whatever you like here. Okay, you can add a section. You just click here and select what kind of section you want to add on your home page. Also you can add anything on your section, image or video or button or text. Now let's move on to the site header. So here you can change the site title, and you can upload the logo image as a file or from library. Okay, now let's move on to the next section. So first here you have to change the wave intensity. Go to the design and change the wave intensity. After this, change the text size. And now let's move on to this image, delete it. Okay, you can type whatever you like on the search if you're looking for something. Okay, for example, I'm gonna choose one of these, just a simple art or just a simple image. Okay, alright, I'm gonna choose this. So here you can use this space to talk about your shop and your products, how and where are they made and what makes them unique. So before you change the text here, you can change the paragraph 2 from the paragraph 2 to heading 4 to make it looks better and attractive and clear. Okay, and after this you can change the topic, and now you can go to the background. You don't have to add the image on the background, just a simple art, it's much better. Okay, like this. Now let's move on. The same thing here, just a simple art. Also here, just a simple art. And here, instead of this image, you can, for example, add a map. Here you can add the business name and your address, the city and the state and the country. Also you can change the design of the map. And after this, add the background. Okay, now let's move on to the last section, the footer section. So that's it. After you're done from here, and after you're done from customizing and designing your websites, you can go to the selling section and add the product to your inventory and add the way to get paid. Choose the subscription plan, and the last step is publish your website and start selling, start your business. So that's it for today. That's how to customize your site on Squarespace for printable educational worksheets business, easy and quick. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end. See you in the next video.